Susunod ako.
Boss D versus Dakar. Nakuha ni Bulang ang bola. Binigay kay Boss D. Boss D. Muntik na malito. Sandali lang. Nalito lang, Rep. Nalito lang. Okay, bola lang, Violet. Dakar to Panes. Andy. To Encinares. Encinares to Panes. Panes to the bomb. Bomba. 2 points. Levi Salon. Bringing down the ball, pass to Mosimo. Mosimo back to Levi Salon. Mosimo biyak fires, no. Rebound, Pagaling. Black.
Pasok sa kabila, oh. Shoot naman, ah. Pasok dun sa baka, no?
Kabantado. Bola ng white. To Levi Salon. To JC Gangat. Hesitate, fakes, fires to 3, no. Rebound. Nakuha ni Pagaling attacks. Tumira. Easy 2 points. Patagilid pala, hindi pala easy 2 points. Difficult 2 points. Andy. Umatake sa gitna. Binigay kay Ciudad. Tumira. Wala. Rebound Pagaling. Pinastraight kay JC Gangat against Andy Panes. Crossover move. Another crossover. Tumira. Nablock ng barya. Dabang with the ball. Dabang. Anong gagawin? Dabang. Patingting na tira. Wala. Pagaling para sa rebound. Pagaling. Dumediretso. Pagaling sa gitna. Binigay kay Levi Salon. Binigay kay JC Lumea. Pasok.
Ano? Hingal na?
Bringing down the ball for the Violet team. Panes. To Encinares. Nope. Rebound. My foul.
Adi Panis.
Against number 6. Panes. Bola ng white team.
Dala pre.
Mosimo. Bringing down the ball. Ano kayang gagawin? 15 to shoot. Levi Salon takes a shot. No. Rebound. Steal. Napunta kay JC. JC fires behind the arc. No. Rebound. Nakuha ni Dabang. Encinares to Panes. Umatake. Natapikan sa baba. Nakuha ni Boss D. Binawa bola para sa white team. Boss D takes the shot from the perimeter. No. Levi back to Boss D. To Pagaling. To Boss D again. Ang tayo. Rebound Dakar. Dabang. Ano kayang gagawin? Beyond the arc. Fire to 3. No. Pagaling for the rebound. Pagaling against Panes. Pagaling pa rin. It's 3 against 3. Levi Salon. Bumidlit. Tumira. Wala. Encinares, 2 points. Bola ng white shirt. Pagaling. Signals the play. Mosimo fires no. Rebound. Encinares to Ciudad to Panes. 15 to shoot. Encinares. 10 to shoot. To the bomb. Still drop shot. No. Rebound Pagaling. It's 3-1 in favor of the white shirt. Levi Salon. 2 points. It's Violet ball. Ciudad to Encinares. To the bomb. To Panes. Perimeter shot. No. Foul shot by Ciudad. No.
Kapos.
Rebound. binigay kay Insinares. Insinares, no. Loose ball, nakuha ni Bosty. To JC. JC against two Violet Boys. Tumira, basket is good. May kasama pang foul. Foul against Django Daka. Substitution rep, Dakara out, Pascual in. 5 minutes and 35 seconds na tayo sa ating first quarter. Bonus free throw para kay JC. Wala, rebound, kinalawit ni Mark. Violet ball tayo. It's Mark still with the ball. To the bomb. The bomb sa left side. Pasok yan. Time white team. Time out brought to white team. Remaining time 5 minutes and 26 seconds. It's white ball. Levy bringing down the ball for the white shirts. Levy to Pagaling. Pagaling bumaba. Tumira. Wala. Pinapak ni Bosty para sa bola. To Pagaling. Pumps. Tumira na naman. Wala pa rin. Rebound Insinares. Insinares with the ball. Insinares. Tumira. Pasok yan para kay Insinares. To Levy. Levy against Pascual. Levy pa rin. 15 to shoot for the white shirt. 5 to 3, no?
Technical. Bawal yun. Bawal yun.
Hoy, technical foul. Kasi violation. Clapping. Clapping at the face.
Tapos araw po second time.
Technical free throw plus ball possession.
Ball possession sa puti.
Steal. White ball tayo. With 4 and 49 seconds. 14 to shoot po ang white. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. DC. To Mosino. Mosino tayo sa 3. Bang! Sino? 3! Lamang na po ng isa ang white. Ang apat. Lamang po ng apat ang white team. Andy Panes with the ball to Ciudad. Ciudad, Signas sa 3, back to Panes. Panes, bumiki. Binigay sa ilalim kay Tabang. Tabang, pasok yan. Bola po ng white team. Number 1, Mosimo. 10 to shoot tayo. Mosimo, to Levi Salon, to Bosty. Bosty, Page. Binigay kay JC. Page. Tumira. May foul against number 6. Second team foul. Violet Boys. 13 foul. Second personal foul ni Panes.
Pasok ha, pasok yung ano.
Pasok ang unang pagtataka. Ang pangalawa, rebound. Nakuha ni Bosty. Pinapit pa naman kay JC. JC against 2. To Bosty. Bosty patinding. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Ciudad. Ciudad bringing down the ball for the Violet team. Steve. Ciudad pa rin. Binigay kay Mark. Mark using the glass. No. Rebound. Levi Salon. Levi Salon to Bosty. Bosty to Pagaling. Pagaling. Hindi po allowed yan. Wala kang ticket. We're happening without visa. Violet ball po tayo. The bomb. Fakes. Pass to Insinares. Baby ko. To Panes. Panes. Fakes. Binigay kay Insinares. There's a foul against Pagaling. Remaining time, 3.8 seconds. Panes to the bomb. The bomb fires a 3. The bomb 3. Bomb. What bomb? Bombay. Bosty attacks to the center. Lays Siring may foul against lungsod ng Las Piñas, Ciudad.
Ang galing! Napakagaling ah!
First personal foul against lungsod ng Las Piñas,
Ciudad.
Ciudad. Bosti. Unang pagpapaka. Pasok yan.
May isang puntos ka na. Out ka na dyan. Labas ka na.
Another try for Bosti. Bosti, second row. No good. Rebound. Pagaling. Pagaling. 10 to shoot ang white shirt. Mosiko, biyak-biyak. Fires. No. Rebound. Levy. Block from behind. Fast break 2. Encinares. Encinares against JC. Easy 2. Chicken na chicken yan. JC against Pascual. 10 pa rin. Dinodouble team. Binigay ni Bosti. Bosti. Ito Pagaling. Pagaling. Bumit-bit. Kumira. Wala. Rebound. Pagaling pa rin. Counts. Purin side. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Violet ball tayo. Pascual against JC. Pascual pa rin. Binigay kay Panes. Panes. To the bomb. The bomb. Back to Panes. Oy, nakagawa ng bola. Binigay kay Bosti. Bosti pa rin. Bosti against 2. Bosti against Ciudad. Lazy rin. Wala. Ay ba Ciudad. 2 minutes tayo sa lado. Encinares. To Pascual. Patingin. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Levy Salon. Binigay kay Bosti. Bosti. Favorite shot at the side. No. Rebound. Panes. Panes. To Ciudad. Ciudad. Anong gagawin? Ciudad. To the bomb. The bomb. Tumalaksak sa dirig. Dumukot. Pasok yan. 1 minute and 30 seconds. JC against Pascual and Ciudad. JC pa rin. To Mosimo. Mosimo. To Bosti. Bosti. Sumalaksak. Lumayap ng kailalim. Pasok. Violet ball po tayo. Score po natin. 17-19. Lamang ang 19. Violet. Encinares.
Wala, patapusin mo na yan!
7 to shoot. Pascual using the glass. No. Rebound. Pagaling. Pagaling to JC for the fast break. JC. Easy to. Violet team. Score po natin. Lamang po ng nag-print ko pala si Boss D. Lamang ng isa ang white team. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Bata, paano pag ginawa? Dito ka sa gilid.
Ganito.
Bola po ng violet team. We 45 seconds.
Yan.
Panes. To Pascual. Pascual to Encinares. Easy to go. Mosimo. To Pagaling. To Daryl Matilo. Wala. Pagaling. Follow shot. Yan. Laban pa rin sa ang white team. Encinares sa gitna. 5 seconds. Galing. Tumira. Tapos na po ang ating unang yugto. Bola po ng violet team. Ciudad for the inbound. Pumasok na po si Marlon Pajarillo. Pajarillo. Masyadong mataas ang pasa. Para kay Mark Pascual. Bola po ng white team. Mosimo bringing down the ball. Looking for his teammate with 13 seconds to shoot. Mosimo. 10 seconds to shoot. JC Villarreal, fires the 3 note. The bank for the rebound. Binigay kay Panes. Panes, nagmamadali. Ano kayang gagawin? Binigay kay Ciudad. Ciudad. To Pascual. Wala. Rebound pagaling. To Mosimo. Mosimo. To Darren Matilo. Binigay kay Marcos Paharillo. Tumira. Wala. Rebound the ball. Good. Pascual sa ilalim. Ang ganda ng pasa ngayon. 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Labang po ng tatlo ang Violet team. 15 to shoot ang White. 10 to shoot. JC drives. Finger shot. No. Rebound. Nakuha na Dabang. Dabang to Ciudad. Ciudad. Binigay kay Encinares. Encinares. Anong gagawin? Encinares na sundutan. Nakuha ni Mapulot. No foul. Technical foul. A sportsman-like foul against number 6. Andy Panes. Substitution ref. Who's in and who's out? Levy in. Simok out. 8 minutes and 28 seconds po tayo for the second quarter. Bola na. Ay, ano pala yan? Technical throw. Darren Matilo. Hindi pumasok. Isa pa para kay Darren. Darren. Wala. Wala pa rin. Last pang Bekata. Bola pa rin ng White team. Lamang lang po ng tatlo ang Violet. Paharillo, 40 imbang. Binigay kay Levi Salon. Levi Salon fires sa 3. No. Rebound. Bibigo. Bibigo to Pascual. Ay to Ciudad. Ciudad, 6 na sa 3. Binigay kay Panes. Panes. Sumaisip. Binigay kay Pascual to the AC. No. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Matino. Dari Matino. Racing. Dari Matino. Pasok yan. Sarado 8 minutes tayo. Dabang. Tumanggap ng bola. Tupanes. Pumake. Lumiyap. Na-block sa likod. Nakuha ni Levi sa loob ng bola. Levi. Binababa ang bola. Levi. Ano kayang gagawin? Fielder shot. Pasok yan. Dabang na po ng isa ang White team. Dabang. Anong gagawin? Nakaswara sa gilid. Wala pagaling sa rebound. 7 minutes and 24 seconds. JC. Hinintay mga kakampi. JC side step. Black. Bayan Sinares. 10 seconds to shoot na lang po ang White team. 10 seconds to shoot. Paharin ko pang rebound. Binigay kay Levi Salon. To matulog. 5 seconds. Pagdaling fires move. Air ball. Ball possession po ng Violet team. Change favor po tayo naman ng White ng Star. Encinares to Panes.
Wala.
Panes winning the ball for the Violet team.
Malis.
50 to shoot. Encinares. Wala. Rebound pagdaling. Pagdaling. Anong gagawin? O matake. Patindig na tira. Pasok. Nilamang na po ng tatlo ang White team. Violet ball tayo. Panes. Laying down the ball. 6 shots to play. To Pascual. Using the glass. No. Rebound Ciudad. Ciudad fouls up. Pasok yan para kay Iking Ciudad. Bola ng White team. JC brings down the ball for the White Shirts. JC against Panes. 50 to shoot ang White Shirts. JC. Binigay kay Paharillo. 10 to shoot ang White team. Paharillo. Biyang fires. Air. score ko natin naman ng isa ang white team. Remaining time, 6 minutes sarado. 6 minutes sarado. Bola ng violet. Inbound to Andy Panes. Panes. Signals the play. Binigay kay Dabang. Dabang takes. Nakuha ni Ciudad. Ciudad. Napunta kay JC. It's JC against Panes. JC. Bili na. Pero pasok pa rin. Bola ng violet. Lamang ng tatlo ang white team. 5 minutes and 32 seconds for the second quarter. 15 to shoot ang violet. Dabang to Mark Pascual using the glass. No. Rebound Pagaling. Pagaling. Distribute the ball. Binigay kay Paharilio. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Panes. Substitution ref. Marlo Paharilio out. Ducks in. Press in. Press out. Press in. Pascual out. Ayan na po ang sentro ng violet team. JC to Levy. Levy. Malapit na tira. Pasok. 5 minutes and 5 seconds po tayo. Ginamang na po naman ang white team. Panes. 10 to shoot. The bomb from Biak. Wala. Rebound. Levy. Levy to Pagaling. Pagaling na anticipate. Ciudad. Basket. Jempol. Pagaling. Sakto lang po ang mga white. Ay matake si Pagaling. Wala. Rebound. Dabang. Dabang. Binigay kay Sinares. Sinares. May foul against Boston. Substitution ref. Sino pumasok? Violet. Nakain. Number 11. To press. Press. Sa free throw area. Patingin ng tira. Wala. Ciudad. May foul from behind. Foul against Levy. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Ciudad, first throw, no. Ciudad, for the second throw, pasok yan. Ganun na lang po ng dalawa ang white team. Ball possession po ng white team. Boss team, bringing down the ball, 6 minutes to play. Tumira ng perimeter, wala. Rebound, nakuha ni press. Binigay ni Ciudad. Ciudad to Encinares. Encinares. Breaks. Nasundutan ni Pagaling. Sa JC. Easy to point. Violet. Bola po ng Violet team. Daklara po ng inbound. Number 11 receiving the ball. Number 11 to Pascual. Pascual signals the play. Pascual to Encinares. 10 seconds to shoot. Daklara, wala, malakas. Nakuha ni Boston yung rebound. To JC. JC. Bothered by Pascual. Nasundutan, makuha kaya. Same ball tayo. 18 seconds to shoot ang white team. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Bola ng white. 18 to shoot, Pagaling. 15 to shoot. To Levy Salor. Levy Salor, back to Pagaling. 10 to shoot ang right. Pagaling, tuloy na nagpapalibing. Pasok. Bola ng Violet. Violet. Handles the ball. Signals the play. Binigay kay Casey. 30 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pagaling. Sa gitna, umatake. Matilok, tumira. Number 11. Ang bola to Mark Pascual. Ang Pascual to number 11. To Bosti. Bosti to Pagaling. Pagaling sa Denise to. Wala. Pagaling to Bosti. Oy, nakuha ni King. Pascual for the AC2. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni JC. Binigay kay Levi. Masyadong mataas masa. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. 2 minutes, 0.3 seconds. Substitution. Dakara out. The bomb in. Apat lang po ang kalaban ng white team. Is the bomb with the ball. The bomb to Sudat. Sudat takes to 2. No. Rebound. Violet ball against. Sabi ni referee, violet ball. Salamat po. The bomb takes to 3. No. Rebound. Nakuha ni Bosti. Sinundutan. Binigay kay Mosimo. Mosimo running down with the ball. Binigay kay Casey. Casey to Levis alone for the Israeli. Lamang na po na ng white shirt. Remaining time. 1 minute and 32 seconds. It's Pascual. 15 to shoot for the Violet team. 20 Zinares against Levy. Zinares starts to 2. No. Bosax with the rebound. Bosti with the ball. Badat kay Zinares. 50. Nakuha ni Pascual ang bola. Pascual. To the bomb. Uy. Look. Kumapain. Mosimo. Masusundutan. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Mosimo. To Bosti. Bosti. Lumapit. To Mosimo. 3 seconds. 55.4 seconds po tayo. 55 seconds. Pascual. Lamang na po na kanya ang puti. Pascual. To Iging. Patingting. Pasok. 40 seconds. JC. Nagmamadali. JC. Patingting din. Pasok din yan. Bola ng Violet. 30 seconds. 50 to shoot ang Violet. To the bomb. The bomb takes. Uy, nasundutan. Bola ng White. It's 2 against 3. Nasundutan kaya. Levy from the perimeter. The bomb to the bomb. Binigyan kaya ng Violet. Tapos na po ang pangalawang ito ang ating laro. I-score po natin 40-34 in favor ng white team. Ang bola ay mananatili sa white. It's white ball. Receive rebound, binalik. Nakuha na yung Panes. Panes, ito Pascual. Pascual, against Panes. Kaya, may foul. Paharillo. First team foul. First personal foul. Two free throws will be given to Mark Pascual. First throw. No.
No. Ano yun, ha? Tuyo naman, tuyo.
Second free throw para kay NP. Mark Pascual. Shooter's bounce. Binigay kay Gutierrez. Parillo. To Matinok signals the play. Binigay kay JC. JC, humingi ng screen. JC Villandia fires. No. Violet ball. LP, sa bola, nakuha ni Dabang. Dabang against 2. Dabang, to Panes. Panes, hindi alam magbibigay. To Iki, Sudad, wala. Nakuha ni Matino. Foul. Against Dabang. Bola ng white balls. Santos, first personal foul. Parillo, Pagaling. Pagaling sa ilalim, binigay kay Violet ball daw tayo. Lamang lang po ng 5 ang white team. Yung Sinares, bringing down the ball. Yung Sinares, umatake sa gitna. To Panes. Panes, pasok ang tira. Okay. Sa break, Violet ball tayo. Bola ng Violet. Tatlo na lang po lamang ng white team. Sudad, binigay kay Sinares. Takes my foul. Foul against number 11.
Gutierrez.
King Gutierrez. Ate. King Sinares. First free throw. Walay. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Second free throw po yan Sinares. Walay pa rin. Rebound Sudad. Yan Sinares. Stamps. Binigay kay Mark. Easy 2 points. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng white team. It's Pagaling on the ball. Pagaling. Against Sudad. Pagaling umatake. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Dabang. Dabang. Tuwing Sinares. Sudad. May tanang bola para sa Pirate team. Sudad. Kaya nabibigay. Tuwing Sinares. Sinares. To Pascual. Dumukit. And may kasama pang foul. Foul again. Number 11. Gutierrez. Second personal foul for Gutierrez.
Sapa.
Mark Pascual for the bonus shot.
Mamaya, mapapus ko na.
MP. Bonus shot. Pasok. Nothing but the bottom of my heart. Bossy. Bring down the ball from the white shirt. Bossy pa rin. Battle by Sudad. Humingi na string. Binigay kay Tilo. Number 11. Tumira. Pasok for Gutierrez. 2 points. Bola ng Violet. Lamang lang po ng dalawa. Ay, it's a tie ball game. 42 all. Sudad. To the bomb. The bomb Villandia fires York. Pagaling po the rebound. Pagaling umatake sa gitna. Drop to Gutierrez for the easy 2. Lumamang na po ang white team. 2 puntos. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Violet team 15 to shoot. Panes pa rin in the ball. 10 to shoot. Dabang looking for his teammate. Dabang to Panes. Panes to Sudad. Wala. Rebound. Sinares for the putback. My foul against number 11. King Gutierrez. Third personal foul.
Substitution.
2 free throws for Baby Go. Baby Go. Unang tira. Malas.
Pag pumasok, substitution.
Sinares. Wala pa rin. Ano ba ulit Pagaling? Pagaling ito. 2 points. Matilok. Dahil Matilok bumantay. Dabong. Binigay kay Sina. Binigay kay Syudad. Tumira wala. Nakuha yung Syudad. Nakuha yung Sinales. Pump, stage. Rebound ni Dabong. Too strong ang pasa. Subdivision rep. Who's in, who's out, who carries out. Mosimo in. It's Violet ball. 6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Syudad. To Pascual using the glass. Wala. Bosti sa rebound. Binigay kay Mosimo to JC. JC against Panes. JC Panes against Panes. 15 to shoot. Para sa Violet. Panes. To Mosimo sa perimeter. Mosimo wala. Nakuha niya pa rin. Binigay kay JC. Panes. It's 3 against 1. Panes. Kumaliwa. Panes. Lamang na ako ng dalawa ang white team. Pagaling versus Dabang versus Syudad. Foul sa baba. Number 4. Dabang. Technical free throw. Number 4 ng white. JC Gana. Technical free throw tayo.
Jun, sinap.
Sina. Olivia sa free throw. Technical free throw para kay Olivia. Ayun, pumasok na. At last. Pero bola pa rin ng white team. Lamang na lang po na.
Yung meron ng technical, saka yung meron ng score.
Okay. Yung may technical na at saka yung may unsportsmanlike foul kanina, once more, thrown out na kayo sa ating game. Claro, recto. Pataling, misses sa first row. Pagaling pa rin. Second row. Napalobo. Rebound. Olivia to Dabang. Binigay kay Syudad to Panes. Sina. Alright. Pagaling versus Dabang. Using the glass. Masok yan. Binigay kay Panes.
Hirap na ano yun. Hirap na salubungin yun.
Panes, 10 to shoot ang Violet team. Back to Panes. 5 to shoot ang Violet. To the bomb, quick.
Traveling.
Travels without traveling back. White ball tayo with 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Pagaling Rashes teams. Pagaling Steve the ball against Syudad and Mark Pascual. Pagaling pa rin. Natapikan. Team Pagaling. Binigay kay Levi Salon fires. No. Air ball. Violet ball tayo. 4 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. Olivia with the ball. Binigay kay Syudad. Drop pass to Mark Pascual. Nilabas mo ng bola. Binigay kay Panes to Syudad. Easy 2 points. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng puti. 48-47. White ball tayo with 15 to shoot for the white team. 10 to shoot for the white team. Still with the ball. Mosimo to Matilok. Bumomba. Tumira. Pasok yan para kay Matilok. Number 6, Sina with the ball. Sina Sina, looking for his teammate. Sina fires a three. Bang! Andy, ay dos lang daw, sabi niya rin, nakatapak ka sa kuryente.
Sayang.
Ayan ako, Boss B with the ball, 15 to shoot para sa White Shirt. Boss B attacks, drops to Batido, nakuha ni Sinak. Sinak to the bomb. The bomb, bring down the ball for the Violet team. Steal the bomb to Sinak. Sinak, bigay ni Sinak. Empty against Sino. Nakuha ni Olivia for the easy 2 points. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Lamang na po ang Violet. Bossy, umatake, dumukot, wala. Olivia sa rebound. Binigay kay Gabang. Back to Olivia. Olivia to Panes. Sinap. Sinap to Empty against Mosimo. Empty, ano kaya gagawin? Dumukot. Pasok pa rin yan. Ang lalim nun. Pinadaan sa kili-kili. Levy Salon against the bomb. Levy umikot, tumira. Wala. Rebound. Foul against number 6, Ande. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 54 seconds.
Ganda ng pangalan, Sinap.
Lamang na po ng tatlo ang mga ubi. Violet. Tilok. Sinabayan. Tilok. Tumira. Padingling. Nakakarami na ng puntos ni Boy Matilok ha. Labangan po ng isa ang mga ube. Binigay kay Dabang. Dabang, fakes, dribbles, natapika, nakuha ni Matilok. Matilok, nagmamadali. Matilok, sinulubong ni Sina. Matilok, padingli. Matilok na naman for the 2 points. Bola ng Violet, change table tayo. Lamang na po ang white team ng dalawa. Pwede Sinares, Olivia to MP. MP, sinabayan ni Bossy. May foul. Foul. Bossy foul.
Sab daw, sab.
Free throw for MP. Shooter's bounce para kay Mark Pascual. Second free throw para kay Mark Pascual.
Wala.
Bola ng white team. Bola ng white team. Binigay kay Mosimo. Anticipated by Mark Pascual. Mark Pascual against 4. Umatake sa likod. Bossy. Umatake, nasundutan, naagaw. Binigay kay MP. Nagtakip pa ng muka. Yun. Pumasok pa rin. Tinakpan ng muka. Pero nakita niya pa rin yung ring. MP against Boy Matilok. Boy Matilok. Boy Matilok. Boy Matilok. Ay, nakuha ni Levy Salon against Sugar. To Bossy. Umayikot. Dabang for the rebound. Bossy to MP. MP. Mark Pascual. Easy to point. Lamang na po ng tatlo ang Violet team. It's Levy. Levy fires note.
Time out na, time out.
For ang Violet team. White team.
Score.
This timeout is brought to you by Mona Kiki. May Mona ka na. May Kiki ka ba? Our face of the day. Ahead po ng 3 points ang Violet team. 1 minute and 11 seconds po tayo. 1 minute 11 seconds for the third quarter. Violet team po tayo. Sinap with the ball. Sinap. 15 to shoot for the Violet team. Binigay kay Olivia. Olivia with the bomb. The bomb fires. No. Rebound. Binigay kay Bossy. Bossy. Nakuha ni the bomb. The bomb to MP. MP fakes. Umikot. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Levy ang rebound. Rebound to Bossy. Bossy to JC. It's 2 against 1. JC. Binigay kay Mosimo. Wala. Mosimo. Palusak. Masok. Isa lang po ang laman ng Violet Team. Binigay kay The Bomb. Pagaling. 20 seconds. Pagaling pa rin. Lazy rin. Pasok yan. Change favor tayo. Laman na ng isa ang White Team. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds na lang. Ensenada Fires. Shooters down. Change favor na naman. End of the third quarter. Uwe. Ciudad for the inbound.
Ano na lang? Marlboro Blue, dalawa. Tapos
Sila.
yung iba, Camel.
Tupanes. Sinap ko na, sinap. Kasi nasa labas yung panes. Sinap. Number 6. To The Bomb. Empty. 2. Enseñares for the easy 2 points. Lamang po ng tatlo ang halo kay OBT. Kanan-kanan, 61-58. 2. JC Yandia, fire to play, rebound, The Bomb. The Bomb, nasundutan ni Mosimo. Mosimo to JC. JC, sa ilalim, too strong ang pasa. Bola po ng halo kay OBT. Encinares to The Bomb. The Bomb, 50 to shoot for the halo kay OBT. Sinap to The Bomb. 10 to shoot, Iking Ciudad. Nothing but the bottom of your heart. Bola na ng White Team. Lamang na po ng 5 ang White Team. It's JC Ganat with the ball against Mark Pascual. JC Ganat. Binigay kay Levi Salon. Levi Salon. Back to JC. 10 to shoot. Mosimo fires. Simon. 3. Tatlo na lang po ang lamang ng Violet Team. It's Ciudad to empty. Empty. Tumira wala. Olivia. 10 to shoot. Mosimo to JC. JC against The Bomb. JC. Natapay. Nakuha ang bola. Violet Team tayo. The Bomb. Fires. 2 points. Bola ng White Team. Lamang po ng 4 ang halo kay OBT. Levi Salon. 15 to shoot para sa White Team. Levi pa rin. Signals to play. Binigay kay Simo. 10 to shoot ang White Team. Simo. To Pagaling. Pagaling 5 to shoot. 5 to 3. No. Rebound Olivia. Olivia. Olivia to Sinap. Sinap number 6. 3 against 3. Sinap. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni JC ang loose ball. JC Ganat. Tumira ng perimeter. Tear grab shot. No. Bosti for the rebound. Pumps. Kadingding ito na. Halo kay OBT. Our score 65-62. Tama?
Rian! Upay, Chong!
Dala, binibigay.
Ano?
30 seconds. Pascual with the ball. Binigay kay Sinap. Sinap number 6, 50 to shoot for the Violet Team. Binigay kay The Bomb. The Bomb, 10 to shoot ang Violet. MP to Ciudad. Ciudad, dumabas. Binigay kay MP. MP, using the glass, no? Rebound Pagaling. Pagaling to JC. It's 2 against 1. To Levi Salon. Levi Salon, easy 2 points. Tight ball game po tayo at 65. Tight ball game at 65. Violet Team po tayo. Sinap, bringing down the ball. Binigay kay Ciudad. Ciudad to Encinares. May traveling goal against Ciudad. 6 minutes and 51 seconds remaining time. White ball po tayo. Levi Salon with the ball. For the White Shirts, Bosti, 15 to shoot. Bosti attacks, takes the shot. Yes, 2 points for Bosti. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang White Team. Remaining time, 6 minutes and
Pagpasok, time out.
28 seconds. The
Time out.
Bomb with the ball with 15 to shoot for the Violet Team. The Bomb pa rin. Ito sila. Sinap to empty. Empty. Ties to Morgan at 67. Timeout. White team. Oh, both teams. May tigisan na lang kayong timeout. Both teams. May tigisan na ng timeout. Bola ng white team. We are all tied at 67 with 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 50 to shoot for the white team. JC against the bar. 10 to shoot. JC fires to 3. JC Green. Lamang po ng tatlo ang white team. Sinap bringing down the ball. Sinares drop pass to nakuha ni Boy Matilok. Boy Matilok aatahin kaya Boy Matilok tumira ng pag-ibig. Boy Matilok easy to ball. Lamang na po ng 5 ang white team with 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Dabang with the ball. Dabang take to shoot for the violet team. Nakuha ng pagaling. It's 3-on-2. JC for the easy lane. 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Bola ng violet team. Lamang po ng 7 ang white team. Ciudad to Dabang. Dabang against what team? 10 to shoot. Ciudad fires, no rebound, Sinap. Sinap fires for 2. Good job. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 43 seconds. White ball tayo. Forty to shoot. Lefty Salon. To sa Matilok Boy. Boy Matilok. Shooter foul. Bola po ng violet team. Binigay kay Pagaling. Pagaling to Bosti para sa easy to point. Lamang na po ng siyam ang white team. Binigay kay Levy. Levy to JC. JC mag-uubos ng oras. 4 minutes sarado. JC pa rin. Team drop shot. 2 points lang para kay JC. Nagpanik na po ang halumay ubetin. Halumay ubetin. Time out. Violet team, kulang ng isa. Bola ng Violeta. Violet team. To Andy. Andy. Binigay kay Olivia. Olivia attacks to the basket. Easy to possession. Walang putos. Sinap, dumiyak, wala. Heavy tumira by foul against number 5. Basket is good. May kasamang foul. Levy. Post free throw para kay Mac Pascual. Pascual, wala. Rebound Bosti. Bosti against Ciudad. Binigay kay Boy Matilok. Tiro siya. Matilok patay ka. Swerte. Si Boy Matilok lang pumatay. 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Bola ng Violet. Ciudad. To MP. MP umigot. May foul against Boy Matilok.
Tibay Daryl ah.
13
Buenas
foul.
eh.
Third personal foul against Boy Matilok. MP, first throw. Wala. Ako. 3 minutes and 7 seconds na lang po tayo sa fourth quarter. MP pa rin. Second row. Basket. 74-82. Binigay kay Boy Matilok. Boy Matilok to Pagaling. pagaling to JC. Take to shoot. Bossy sa gitna, lumiyap, pasok. Bola ng Violet. 10 na po ang kalamangan ng white team. 10-point lead for the white team. Sina 15 seconds to shoot. Umatake, lumiyap, basket. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Boy Matilok para sa bola. Boy Matilok, nakagawan. Binigay kay MP. MP, ano kayong gagawin? MP to number 11. Number 11, pasok. Naka-score na si number 11. To JC. JC to Levy. Levy back to JC. JC against Ciudad. JC pa rin. Bagged by Ciudad. Ciudad against JC. 10 to shoot. JC to Levy Salon. Fire. Nope. Rebound Mark Pascual. Mark Pascual po sila. 1 minute and 45 seconds. To number 11. Number 11. Tumira. Pasok. May foul against number 11. Substitution rep. Who's in, who's out. 11 in, 4 out. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 32 seconds. White team 20 to shoot. White team 20 to shoot. Ciudad to JC. 15 to shoot. To Pagaling. 10 to shoot. Pagaling pumps. Takes the shot. Nope. Rebound. Encinares. Encinares to Sinap. 15 to shoot. To Ciudad. Ciudad is 2 points. Two-point lead na lang po ang white shirt. 84-82 with 55 seconds to shoot. JC with Bossy. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Bossy. Binigay sa wala. Bola ng white shirt. Ng violet shirt. White team, wala na kayo timeout. Violet, may isa pa. Ay, Bossy siya kasi shoot ang Violet. Hindi. 24 pa rin. Foul, Mark Pascual. 32 seconds. 13 foul ang Violet team. 32.9 seconds. Laman ng dalawang white. With 22 seconds to shoot. 22 seconds to shoot. Pagaling against Ciudad. Double team. Pagaling ito ball. Matilok. Nakuha ng Levy. Levy, wala. Mapasal sa rebound. Bola Violet team. 18.9 seconds. Nice game.